Hello, my name's Joe, and this is the beginning of my little hydroponic pepper experiment. Never done anything hydroponic before, so hoping I don't end up killing my plants, but if I do, oh well. It's kind of a compilation of a bunch of ideas that I found on YouTube, and just kind of put things together and kind of trying to do my own thing here. Starting out with two 10-gallon tubs with 3 plants apiece. Trying not to get too big. If these things do actually grow, then the root mass, I imagine, will get pretty huge. And just kind of looking to the future. Figured at some point I will need a way to stake them, so I put these little 1/2-inch PVCs into the pot, so that should be able to stake them up at some point. And I got a little bubbler in there. I have no idea if that's enough air going through the water, but I guess I'll find out pretty soon. This is all powered by I think this was a 30 to 60 gallon Tetra Whisper air pump. Definitely the quietest one that I've seen so far. And the idea is to stick them here in front of my kitchen window. I got this wardrobe rack from Target, and I built this little ductwork light following another YouTuber's idea, and I guess we'll see how well it goes. I'm hoping I can put the pots in, or put the tubs in the bottom, and then just lower and raise the entire light as needed to get the proper height. Okay, more to come. Okay, and here's a little grow box that I have up here in a closet. Started a bunch of different jalapenos and habaneros from seed, and this is what I have now. I'm going to take 6 of the best looking plants, and I'm going to go ahead and plant those, transfer them from soil to hydro. Okay, well, these are the lucky guys. Got these 3 right here, which I grew from seed. They're supposed to be grande hybrid jalapenos. Supposed to be like a 4-inch fruit, and just as hot, if not hotter, than a typical jalapeno. And these are purple jalapenos, which are also supposed to have the same heat as a normal jalapeno, but they're supposed to have a purple fruit. I make a ton of salsas and bean dips, and all kinds of things. So I'm kind of hoping these guys turn out well. Might be a pretty cool little novelty. Okay, I got the nutrients in the water, and also just had to adjust the pH down by 2 to around 6. This is just tap water that I used, and my water here, I'm finding out, is slightly basic. It's according to this color scale on the pH kit that I got, is somewhere near around 8. So I had to adjust that to around 6 for the peppers. I'm just using general hydroponics, nutrient solution. Supposedly this is the same stuff NASA uses, so I assume they can't go wrong there. Alright, now we're ready for some plants. I'm going to be transplanting them from soil to the hydro, like I said before. I don't really have a way to show myself do that, so I'm just going to shake all the dirt out as best I can and spray them off and just kind of hope for the best. More to come. Okay, well, I got the grande jalapenos out of the soil and just kind of shook off the root balls pretty much. I mean, I'm not trying to get rid of all the dirt. Without trying to break any roots and everything. It's probably about as clean as I'm going to get it. Now I'm going to stick that in the net pot with the Hydroton medium and hope for the best. Okay, well, here's the setup in all its glory. Got my little plants in the tubs and got their light on top of them. So this concludes part 1. I guess I'll make another one in a couple weeks and let you know how they're doing.